Welcome to MessageWhiz. In this video, we'll show you how to use text optimization to maximize the effectiveness of your broadcast messages. Text optimization allows you to test multiple versions of your message to find the one that performs the best. This feature is available for SMS broadcasts with at least 150 recipients. To begin, navigate to the Message Details screen while setting up your broadcast. Look for the Text Optimization option and toggle it on. With Text Optimization enabled, you can create up to 5 different message variations. Each variation can have a unique sender name, template, or message content. For example, you might test different sender names, writing styles, or call-to-action phrases to see which drives the best response rate. MessageWhiz automatically sends these variations to different segments of your audience and measures the results. You'll see real-time data to help you identify the top performer. After your broadcast is sent, visit the campaign analytics to compare performance. Look at metrics like open rates, click-through rates, or conversions to identify the winning message. Text optimization helps you make data-driven decisions to refine your messaging strategy and improve audience engagement. It's a powerful tool to take your SMS campaigns to the next level. Start texting and watch your results improve.